Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you guys this set I created using this polygel kit from Makartt called the Boutique Florist, and I do have a code for this kit, so be sure to check my description box for all my codes below. But yeah, so for this set I knew I wanted them sort of long, so I got these super long stiletto pointing tips from Amazon. I'll try to link them below for you guys, but I actually like them. They did pretty well, so I'm okay, cool. So I'm just gluing the tips on using some lock-eye glue that I get from Walmart. That's like my favorite glue. So I'm just gonna glue those on, then cut them down to my desired length. So for this tutorial, or for these nails, I kind of went with like a tapered square look, and I do feel like because these stiletto tips are extra long, they're perfect for that kind of shape. So for this set, I knew I wanted to do like a French type nail with like a nude base, right? But I didn't have any nude, like, I don't use acrylics. I don't have any nude like gels or anything like that, like builder gels or polygel or anything like that. So what I did was I took some suntan D&D nail polish or gel polish, and I mixed it with some IBD builder gel clear. So once I mixed it together, as you can see, I started kind of building that base, the French base, you know, I don't really know what that part is called, but anyway, I started building that, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is the perfect color because this is exactly what I had in mind. So as you can see, working with builder gel, it does take some time. Personally, I do prefer builder gel compared to acrylics or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and build up that part and try to make it as oval as I can. Keep in mind, during this whole video I was filming with my non-dominant hand, so I'm trying to get it as clean as I can. But I mean, if I couldn't get it like super oval shaped by hand, I mean, I just went in afterwards and filed it. So yeah. So this is the end result of me doing that nude base, and basically what I have to do now is just wipe that sticky layer with a alcohol wipe just to remove it. And once I removed it, I went ahead and shaped that part just to make it a little bit more oval shaped. Now we're gonna move on to the dried flowers, and you guys, these flowers are so beautiful. I was like, oh my gosh, when I initially received this kit, I knew instantly what I was gonna do, and although this set didn't turn out exactly the way I imagined, it did turn out pretty good, so I'm still happy for that. But for these flowers, initially I tried using clear builder gel just to secure them, and I was, you know, gonna see if that worked. It didn't really work that well. I didn't want to use polygel to lay it down either, so what I did was, further on into the video, you're gonna see I just kind of took that same glue I had earlier from gluing my nails on. I just used that same glue to adhere the flowers to the nail. Right, so now that all the flowers are onto the nails, it's time to move on to capping it. So what I did was took that clear polygel that the kit came with, and I went ahead and applied it to the nail. I did like 3 different pumps, I guess you can say. And then of course I had some alcohol on the side and went ahead and started capping that nail. Right, so I finished capping all these nails with clear polygel, and initially I wanted to leave it like this and of course like put clear top coat, but it looked a bit plain, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and add some foils. So what I'm doing is adding some butterfly foil. This foil is from Amazon actually. So what I did was I just cut them up. There's a whole bunch of individual butterflies on each foil sheet, and I just went ahead and applied my foil gel, which is also from Makartt. And honestly, you guys, also side note, that is one of my favorite foil gels, the one by Makartt. It just adheres so perfectly, like, I don't know, like it took me a minute to find a really good one, so I'm really happy I found that one. So once again, I'm just applying that Makartt foil gel, and now I'm gonna add that other butterfly. After I finished adding those foils, I was like, what else can I add? I was like, I just need to, you know, spruce it up a little bit more. So I added some Swarovskis. You know how you gotta do. Add the little stones. Honestly, at this point, I was content. I'm like, okay, you know what? The set looks pretty good. So let me just go ahead and finish it off. Let me top coat everything. And you guys, I'm using my favorite ever no wipe gel top coat from Nail Addict LA. Okay, and you guys, their top coat is so freaking bomb. I use it all the time with all my press on nails. It's just a go, honestly. I do have a coupon for them as well, a coupon code. So if you guys want to check out my description box, I will have a coupon code for Nail Addict LA and also Makartt. But also, because these are clear nails at the tips, I did apply top coat underneath the nail as well, just so it can look clear on both sides and not look weird underneath. But then, yeah, so at this point, I'm pretty much finished. I do appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this set, and I'll see y'all soon.